What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change your TikTok username without waiting 30 days. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your TikTok app. After opening the TikTok app, you have to click on profile just like this. Then you have to go to on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. After that you have to go to on settings and privacy. You have to click on this. Then you have to scroll all the way down and find the option called report a problem. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and I will show you that after this process you can actually change your username twice in 30 days. So after doing so, you have to click on account and profile. Then you will find the option called editing profile, just like this. You have to click on this option. After clicking on this, you will find the option called unable to change username. You have to click on this option in the first option. Then you will find a bunch of options. You can read this. I'm not gonna read this. You have to click on no. Then you will find a new option called need more help. You have to click on this one. After clicking on this one, there is a conversation started. You have to type as like me, I want to change my username before 30 days. Okay, after typing so, you have to send them this feedback. Okay, then you will find a notification on your TikTok app. Then you will able to change your username. I'm going to show you. Then I just done this process, that's why I'm going to change my username. Then after doing so, you have to click on this three dot bar icon again. Then you have to click on edit profile to change your username. You have to click on username and you can see now I can change my username just like this. Okay, then if I click on save, my new username will be saved. So this is how you can change your username without waiting 30 days on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.